Hey guys, welcome back to At Home Adventures with Patrick and Bucket, where this week we are partnering with Knights Pantry to get you guys a recipe using ingredients that they commonly use and that they give out to students for free. And so this week we are going to show you how to make Southwest pasta. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still in the Orlando area, make sure you check out Knights Pantry. It's on campus and they give out free ingredients such as this to any UCF student. If you like this content, make sure you follow us on Instagram at UCF Outdoor Adventure, and make sure you also follow UCF's RWC Instagram page to see content on how you can stay healthy during these weird times. Until then, thank you guys for watching and stay safe.